Hello and welcome back to And We Rollin'. I know, long time no see, right? I missed y'all too. I took a little vacation to Hawaii.
Yeah, the goldfish, they have these little sensory organs. They look like little white whiskers right at the base of their chins. There's
Ocean sank 44 ships.
But I'm back now. So, on the agenda for today, we need to get the cars that are in the workshop fixed. So, we'll head down there, see what's going on with all of those cars, and start that process. But before that, let's go ahead and get some of these cars back into their parking spaces because cars are just scattered in here. So, the first thing I'm going to do is close the lights on the Corvette. I'm not sure why they're not all the way closed, but let's just get that out the way. Oop, wrong direction. There we go. Next, we're going to move the i8 into the parking space next to the 918. To do that, we're going to have to get it plugged in. So let's get charging.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, we got the blue light. Let's move the i8. Alrighty, that took quite a bit of effort, but now that we've got the liking part, let's go ahead and pull the Porsche in. Alrighty, now that we've got everything organized in the garage again, let's go ahead and head down to the workshop. Welcome to the workshop area of the garage. You are currently sitting in the passenger seat of our latest edition. Now, the plan was, when I got back from Hawaii, to start working on everything that needed to be fixed down here. However, I took another trip, and when I got back, our latest edition arrived. So, instead of addressing why we now have a Scion, or working on our Huracans, or fixing the Bugatti, or finally putting the Hummer back together, I figure we'll check out our latest arrival. So let's go ahead and head back to the main garage. All right, you guys, that'll do it for our first look at the Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro. For those of you who've watched the channel before, you know what's coming next. We are definitely modifying this car. Besides that, we will get back to working on everything that's in the workshop. We're definitely going to get those fixed. But for right now, I figured I'd share this with you first. So until next time, let's keep it rolling.